Hello dear students, welcome to the 12th class chapter of Political Science, Part A, Contemporary Politics, and the chapter name is Cold War. Students, first of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of Cold War. It is a situation in which confrontation and struggle continue to stay between nations, but they don't lead to any kind of war. ये एक ऐसी स्थिति होती है जिसमें विवाद होते हैं, ईर्ष्या होती हैं, संघर्ष होते हैं बिटवीन टू नेशंस एंड इट मे बी बिटवीन टू पर्सन्स. दो देशों के मध्य भी हो सकता है और ये दो व्यक्तियों के मध्य भी हो सकता है. बट दैट डू नॉट लीड टू एनी काइंड ऑफ वार. लेकिन उनमें युद्ध जैसी स्थिति नहीं होती है. यहाँ युद्ध जैसी स्थिति का अर्थ है कि हथियारों का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है, परमाणु बमों का यूज़ जो है नहीं होता है. Then you will be amazed to know then what is the meaning of Cold War. ये कैसा होता है? Before start this, I will tell you that after the Second World War, there were two powers left, that was the US and USSR. And how the Second World War was ended? It was ended with the dropping of bombs on Japan, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध जो 1945 को समाप्त हुआ था, 45 को समाप्त हुआ था, ये युद्ध की समाप्ति हुई थी अमेरिका द्वारा जापान पर दो बमों को गिराकर, नागासाकी और हिरोशिमा में. द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के बाद, जिसमें धुरी राष्ट्र और मित्र राष्ट्रों ने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था, उसमें दो जो महाशक्तियाँ उभर कर आई थी वो थी US एंड USSR. एंड एक्चुअली कोल्ड वॉर was between these two nations, USSR and US. It was the war of ideology. As you can see, US is based on the ideology of capitalism and USSR was based on the communalism. ये दोनों महाशक्तियाँ थीं. इन दोनों के बीच में जो विचारधारा की लड़ाई थी, दैट वॉज कॉल्ड कोल्ड वार. उसको हमने कोल्ड वार बोला. तो जब विश्व के सामने ये दो महाशक्तियाँ उभर कर आईं, तो इन दोनों महाशक्तियों ने अपने आप को और स्ट्रेंथन करने की कोशिश की. फॉर दिस US हैज एस्टेब्लिश्ड NATO. NATO was a military alliance. It was established in 1949. And also it was called Western Alliance. Now you will ask why it was called Western Alliance. It was called Western Alliance because most of the Western European countries supported this capitalism. They emerged in US. That's why it was called Western Alliance. To see that, also USSR established military alliance, that was Warsaw Pact. It was established in 1955 and it was called Western Alliance. The same answer will be because Eastern European countries have supported the communalism. They have emerged in Warsaw Pact. That's why it was called Western Alliance. Again see, Cold War was between two countries, two superpowers, that was US and USSR. US adopted capitalism and USSR adopted communalism, and this was the conflict, this was the war between two ideologies. That's why it was called Cold War, because in this no armaments, no nuclear power was used. US established NATO and USSR established Warsaw Pact. Now the most important thing in this, what is deterrence? डेटर्स को बोलते हैं अप्रोध. अप्रोध क्या है? डेटर्स क्या स्थिति होती है? When both sides have capacity to retaliate against an attack and to cause so much destruction that neither of the two can afford to initiate war, deterrence is said to be occurred. ये ऐसी स्थिति होती है जब दोनों साइड्स के पास इतनी पावर होती है कि वो दूसरे का जवाब देने में की क्षमता रखते हैं और इसी वजह से वो दूसरे पर को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते हैं. इस स्थिति को अवरोध कहा जाता है. See how as US and USSR, both was strong countries, both were powerful countries, and that's why Cold War was between them, because both knows that they are as powerful as my opponent is. ये जानते थे कि मेरा जो प्रतिद्वंदी है वो भी उतना शक्तिशाली है जितना मैं हूँ. So they will not dare to attack each other. So again I will say that Cold War is the war of ideology in which confrontation, struggle continue but not lead to any kind of war. In the next video, we will come to know about the Cuba Missile Crisis. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.